cards is not the same way.
Nobody's looking at the cards.
Yeah, man, shuffle them cards.
I'm shuffling them real good.
Yeah.
What we gonna play? Texas Hold'em? Texas Hold'em?
Nah. What we gonna play? Let's play some goldfish.
Alright, get the chips. How much? I'm gonna play match 'em?
Huh?
I'm gonna play match 'em?
What's good?
Match, you know? You flip the card, you gotta remember what it is.
There's money involved.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What?
Yeah, is money involved? Don't tell me we playing with these chips.
Nah, let's play Uno. Let's play Uno.
For real? Money involved? I don't want to play with no chips.
We're gonna play Uno, okay?
Uno?
Yeah.
Sure ain't no money involved.
Yeah, we're gonna play with this here chip right here. Let's play with this here chip.
Fuck
right,
your chips, nigga. I got money right here. What? Yeah, nigga.